Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Crest Whitestrips is probably one of the most convenient and affordable ways to achieve a brighter smile from the comfort of your home. These strips have gained immense popularity, promising noticeable whitening effects without the need for expensive professional treatments. But do they live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Crest Whitestrips, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if they're the right choice for you. Number 5. Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus Teeth Whitening Kit. Want a brighter smile? This kit is clinically proven to whiten teeth up to 8 levels in just 12 days. It's the #1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening kit. Are you bothered by stains? This product effectively removes years of tough, set-in stains. It helps you achieve a noticeably brighter smile. Worried about safety? These strips use the same enamel-safe and effective whitening ingredient that dentists use. You can whiten your teeth with confidence. Want convenience? The strips feature advanced seal technology, ensuring a no-slip grip. You can talk and even drink water while wearing them. What's included? The kit includes 10 treatments, each with upper and lower strips, plus 2 bonus 1-hour express treatments. It's everything you need for a whiter smile. What we like? This kit delivers impressive whitening results, achieving up to 8 levels whiter teeth. It effectively removes years of stains, giving you a noticeably brighter smile. If you are preparing for a special occasion like a wedding or a big event, this kit is perfect for you. What people say? These work. You have to be consistent and use them over several months, but I notice they do keep my teeth really white and bright. This works so well, the best. You do have to use it for a few days, 3 to 4, to see great results. But you get so many you can use them over a period of like 6 months. My teeth are noticeably whiter. They're super easy to use and stay put while I go about my day, which is a huge plus. The 1-hour express strips are perfect when I'm short on time but still want fast results. Number 4. Crest 3D Whitestrips Glamorous White Teeth Whitening Kit. Are you looking for a brighter smile? These white strips from Crest are designed to give you a noticeably whiter smile. It's a convenient way to achieve professional-level whitening at home. This product removes over 15 years of stains. It's perfect for those seeking a dazzling, white smile. You'll be amazed by the results. These strips use the same whitening ingredient that dentists use. From the #1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening brand, it's both safe and effective for your enamel. You can trust its quality. Thanks to advanced seal technology, the strips stay put. You can talk and even drink water while whitening your teeth. It offers a comfortable and hassle-free experience. Each kit includes 14 treatments, with upper and lower strips, plus 2 bonus 1-hour express treatments. Get yours today and start your journey to a brighter smile. It's available now, sold and shipped by Amazon. What we like? This product removes over 15 years of tough stains, offering a dramatic improvement in your smile's brightness. The strips are enamel-safe and use the same effective ingredients as dentists. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to remove stubborn stains and achieve a dazzling white smile, this is the one for you. What people say? The strips effectively combat stubborn stains from coffee, tea, wine, and tobacco, leaving my teeth looking fabulous and refreshed. After just 14 consecutive days of using the Crest 3D Whitestrips Glamorous White, my smile is undeniably brighter and more radiant. I have tried other products, the Crest strips work the best. Within the use of 4 strips, over 4 days, my teeth are much whiter. Number 3. Crest 3D Whitestrips with Light. Tired of waiting for results? This product uses a light to accelerate the stain removal process. It helps the whitening ingredients work faster than using strips alone. This is a leading teeth whitening product, clinically proven to remove years of stains. In just 10 treatments, you can achieve a brighter smile. From the #1 dentist recommended brand, this product is both safe and effective. It uses the same whitening ingredient that dentists use, ensuring your enamel is protected while you whiten. The strips use advanced seal technology, which means they stay put. You can talk and go about your day while the product works its magic. Each kit includes a light and 10 whitening treatments. Each treatment includes 1 upper and 1 lower strip. Simply apply once a day for 60 minutes, and then use the light. What we like. This kit includes a light to boost the whitening process, leading to faster results. It's clinically proven to remove years of stains, and the advanced technology ensures the strips stay in place. If you like the idea of accelerating your whitening results and want a convenient, effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. Crest Whitestrips are easy to use. The strips are comfortable and stay in place. I noticed a difference in the whiteness of my teeth after just a few uses. Number 2. Crest 3D Whitestrips Classic Vivid. Are you looking for a brighter smile? These strips can help. They are designed to whiten your teeth effectively and safely. Get a noticeably whiter smile in just a little over a week. This product is designed to give you a significant whitening effect in a short amount of time. Say goodbye to tough stains. This product is formulated to remove stains that have built up over the years, leaving your teeth looking fresh. This product has been accepted by the American Dental Association. You can trust that it meets high standards for safety and effectiveness. It uses the same whitening ingredient as dentists. You can achieve professional-level whitening results from the comfort of your home. The product is safe for your enamel and delivers effective results. It's designed to whiten your teeth without causing harm. What we like. This product offers a noticeable improvement, whitening your teeth up to 6 levels in just 10 days. It effectively removes 10 years of tough stains, restoring your smile's natural brightness. If you are looking for a reliable and effective whitening solution that is also recognized by the American Dental Association, this is a great choice. What people say. Made my teeth white within a week. I did get a few shades lighter. Really complen su function de blanquir, y probedo otras marcas y no se pegan y se resbalan por lo que no blanquean igual. Number 1. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. Want a brighter smile? This kit offers professional-level whitening, just like a $400 treatment. It's perfect for getting your teeth ready for special occasions. This product is from the top dentist-recommended brand for at-home whitening. It uses the same ingredients as dentists and is safe for your enamel while still being very effective. These strips use advanced technology to stay in place. You can talk and even drink water while using them, making it easy to fit into your daily routine. Each box includes 20 treatments, with strips for both your upper and lower teeth. Plus, you get 2 bonus treatments for extra whitening power. With this product, you can achieve a significantly whiter smile. It's a convenient and effective way to boost your confidence and brighten your teeth. What we like. This product provides professional-level whitening, offering results comparable to expensive treatments. It uses the same enamel-safe ingredients as dentists, ensuring both effectiveness and safety. If you like the idea of achieving a dramatically whiter smile without the cost of professional treatments, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The kit comes with 20 treatments plus 2 1-hour express treatments as a bonus. The strips stick really well, no sliding around or weird mess, and the treatment time is super manageable. I would only use them once a day and the results were shocking after the box was gone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.